Warriors at saka Rockets, no? Finally, na-break yung 6 na losing streak. 6 game na losing streak ng Golden State Warriors. So, hopefully, magkaroon na sila ng win streak. Kasi nagkaroon sila ng losing streak, di ba? So, naputol yon. So, hopefully, in the coming games, panalo yon. Sunod-sunod na panalo for the Golden State Warriors. Well, alam naman natin tong Houston Rockets Lagi, di ba? Ito yung game na pag nakalaban mo tong Rockets with their current roster, ito dapat pag ikaw yung Golden State, alam mong mananalo ka dito. Winnable yung game na to against the Houston Rockets. So sana makapanalo next game ulit yung sila Curry. Hindi kasi na-expose yung yung Rockets siguro isa sa pinakamahinang team defensively. Kasi gumagana yung opensa ng Warriors. Pag gumagana yung opensa ng Warriors, malaki ang tsansang mananalo sila. Kapag gumagana yung depensa ng kalaban at na-contain yung opensa ng Golden State, yon, chances are natatalo yung Golden State. Kumbaga yung defensive identity ng Houston wala. Alam naman nating offensive team tong Warriors. Kumbaga doon sila kilala kaya sila nanalo. So yun lang po.